This project is simple, yet adds a touch of sophistication to any garment. Let's get started. First, I folded the edges of the fabric to create a neat border. Then I fixed the fabric into the embroidery hoop to keep it taut and stable. I'm using my French desktop hoop stand today. It's got a rotating little trays for my beads, which makes stitching so much easier. I'm using a light gray embroidery floss with 2 strands for a subtle, delicate look. You could use any color you like, or even mix and match for a more vibrant design. Feel free to experiment with different thread colors to match your fabric. Light threads on dark fabric, or vice versa, can create a striking effect. This pattern can be applied to various parts of a dress, such as sleeves, hems, necklines, and even as a decorative edge for scarves and tablecloths. I will continue to work hard to bring you more interesting and useful embroidery tutorials. If you enjoy my videos, please continue to follow and share them with more friends. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video.